friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more informative videos. How? Asking about manner, asking about condition, quality. How is or was? How do, does, did? How will, would? How can, could, should? Example: how does this work? How was your test? How should you act? Why? Asking for a reason, asking what for. Why is, are, isn't. Why do, does, did, didn't. Why will, would, won't. Why can, could, can't. Why must. For example, why did he leave early? Why can't we get soda? Why are we driving there? Where? Asking in or at what place or position. Where is, where are, where do, does, did, where will, would, where can, could, where might. For example, where will we vacation? Where do they live? Where are your glasses? What? Asking for information about something. What is, are, what do, does, what will, would, what can, could, what noun. For example, what cartoon is your favorite? What is your name? What does solo mean? Who? Asking what or which person or people. Who? Verb. Who will, would, who can, who is, was, who has, had. For example, who opened the door? Who will call the store? Who has my socks? When? Asking about time. When is, are, when do, does, when will, would, when can, could, when should. For example, when can we get ice cream? When did he leave? When will the party start? So guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video.